coming at you with a trade recap. We're going to do a bit of a different one today, just because I'm a bit behind. We're going to do like a week recap. So, Monday to Wednesday's trades. Obviously, we've got a loss, a 3R win, and then a 5R win. And then, for those who don't follow me elsewhere, we've also passed stage 1 again on the that FTMO. So, look, if this one is the newer one. So, we've passed stage 1 again on this, and then now we're on to stage 2, which is this account. And I thought I'll review all the trades that's basically got us there. So, GU long on the 24th of Feb. Let's get to it. Let's not waste any time. So, 24th of Feb, my birthday, if you boys didn't know. Let's go to that day, and we got filled at 9:50, I think it said there, or maybe the stop loss was at 9:50. So, was a long. So, as you can see, daily, if it loads, daily's up. Bullish price action for me. I know we have got that wick, but TradingView's just showing you the future. Daily up, 1 hour up, 4 hour up. So, all bias aligned at that point. Well, this was Asian Open, so we might have to recheck the bias when we get to London Open. And then let's skip forward. Might need to move me up a bit, yeah. Okay, so let's go here. Boom. Go on a 5 minute. And then let's go through the strat as per usual. You guys know it by now. Asian level has been taken. So the lows here. Then we had a fake out. So move up, then a move down, stopping everybody out. Then we had the break. And then as you can see, where we get stopped out soon. Not just yet though. Because I remember I stayed in this trade a lot longer than the other people that were in. So we got filled on this move down. So just to clarify, we've had the break structure here. I'll mark that out. Well, I won't mark that out because my face is in the way. Then we got filled when price came into the gap. I'm pretty sure I stayed in on this, and we'll look at the trade screenshot to review. We might have got stopped. So let's have a look though. Let's go refer to the trade screenshot. Obviously, it was a couple of days ago. Attachments. Drag this up. Let's have a look where we put our stops here. This loads. Here we go. Here we go. Just below the low, and then let's have a look at the result. Yeah, we ended up getting stopped out of New York, so my stops would have covered this move. Let's skip forward. New York happens, and then we get stopped out. So that's the loss on the 24th of Feb. Obviously, as you can see, Asian level, fake out, breaker structure, all in line with bias. Don't mind taking a loss like that at all, bro. At all. Then let's have a look at the next trade, which was a banger, I'm pretty sure. Euro on the 25th of Feb. This was a full TP. So we'll go to Euro on the 25th of Feb here. This was another long as well. So skip over to Euro. And then let's go on the 1 hour to skip forward on the time here. So once again, for my strategy, guys, looking for all bias aligned, 4 hour daily and the 1 hour. Then I'm looking for previous session level sweep in line with bias. And then I'm looking for a fake out, then I'm looking for a breaker structure, and then I'm looking for a retrace on the fib tool, and I'm bracketing the whole move on that fib tool, which is pretty important for my entry, to be honest, boys. Plenty of more rules than that, in all fairness, but they're the only ones that you boys need to know about right now. So, as you can see, clear as fucking day. Asian level, taken out pretty nicely, and I will move my face cam down so I can put Asian low. Then we've had the move up, then the move back down. Let me make this a bit smaller. Then a move back down. Then I'm looking for the break after the fake out. So break here. Boom. Fib tool on the whole move. Liquidity sweep until we start retracing. Limit order just in that top quarter there. Just so that if it hits the middle of the box, accounting for spread, it keeps us in, you know what I mean, and gets us at a good fill rather. So tapped in there. Pretty sure this was a tap and barrel from memory. Yeah, let's have a look at New York. Yeah, tap and barrel, perfectly hit TP, and then I think it retraced, but we came back up anyway from memory. Yeah, so 3R banger there, which put us back to break even, because if we look on that newting, so we bought the newting and then we had a 4 loss streak, then this revived us, then we had 1 down, then this one brought us to break even, and then this one's past stage 1. So this was a 5R banger, IMO. US100 shorts from memory. I mean, it was fucking yesterday. Yeah, US100 shorts, and we'll do the last one. We'll wrap it up here. So 3 trades in this trade recap. And this would have been Wednesday, so if we go on the hourly. Boom, 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 boom. If you're wondering where I am, by the way, my family have come over to visit and they've planned a trip in Phuket, so I'm in Bangkok in a hotel right now, just to stay with them for the day, and then we're going to all fly together tomorrow. So, let's scope in here. Boom, boom. Right, this one was a London session trade as well. So, go through the bias. And I wrote in my Discord on this one, I don't think this was going bearish. I thought we were going to continue bullish and fill the imbalance, but I specifically said as well, I'm taking the trade anyway because my model says so, and I am a shit trader. When I think trades are going to happen, they always fucking lose, but when my model thinks trades are going to happen, they win more likely than not in terms of R. So we always follow the model. As you can see, bearish on every time frame. I just flicked through there. If you look at the structure, the 1 hour looks like it's going bullish, but it hasn't yet built up enough structure for me to actually fully determine that, and then that would have been bias misaligned because only the 1 hour would have been bullish and the 4 and the day would have been bearish. So this fake out was a little bit more sneaky. So if we look at the actual point in which we swept here, then a move down, then a move back up to stop everybody out, in quotation marks. I know it's not that, but that's what my theory is. Then another fake out anyway, pushing up. Then we had this BOS. Once again, I was a bit shaky on this trade because I was thinking, well, in my opinion, we're not going to do this, but you know what? It's like catching a falling knife. But you know what, bro? It ended up working, and I gave a bit of breathing room on this trade just because it's quite a smaller position into like a mini setup, so I like to give a bit of breathing room. Now, I did 5R. What I did was I do 3R, as you boys know. I do 3R, then I initiate trailing stop, so that the minimum I'd get is 3R, and then I do 5R here, just because 5R is the max I would want, because that's a stage 1 pass. I don't want to make any over. Let's have a look what happened. So it tapped the 3R, then retraced, but guess what? I technically went against my plan because I was asleep. I fell asleep because this was the day I had to get my visa sorted, so I was so tired from waking up early. Oh, what have I done now? Oh, we're going to have to skip through again, I think. Here we go, sorry. We'll go back. I accidentally fucked up there. You can only see what's going to happen, but we'll narrate it. So, once again, slightly went against my plan, but it went up in my favour. I did note it down. It's one of them. I would have hit 3R anyway. I just wouldn't have got these extra 2R. That's fine. You know what I mean? Whatever. We retraced all the way up into SL. This is what I mean by set and forget, boys. No joke when I'm talking about this. Then we obviously hit that full TP, and if we go over to that account, I'll show you proof of that, because it was actually a bit of a stanky one, to be fair, a bit of a naughty position. 10% there, and obviously that got the pass. We've caught up now with the trade recap. Sorry for the delay, boys. I've just been a bit busy, to be fair. Lost sight of the consistency on this. No trades London session for me today, but there might be something for New York. I'll join the calls today and say what's up and see what we're saying in that. Discord and Instagram is now in the description because YouTube has allowed me to do that now. Nothing else to add. These are the stats for this month, boys. 21%. Is your mentor making 21%? No, hold these fucking balls. 21%, 2% risk per trade. Absolutely smashing it, to be fair. I know my losses are going to come, don't worry. I know I'm going to get rebalanced, but hopefully we can get one more win to pass this account. If we risk 1.6% on a 3R return, that should be 5% return. So that should get us past. We'll see. Not going to force anything. You know what I mean? Got to stay stoic, not get too gassed. But yeah, boys, I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I'll keep up to date on the trade recaps from now. Peace out, boys.